front of my body. Alright, I want my head on his head. Alright, so I'm going to be in this situation here. If I'm wrestling Nick, I want my head right on his side. I don't want to be like this. If I'm like this, see how I'm going to get it on? Look where my legs are. Alright, I want to be right here, nice and loose. I want my head in front of my legs and my upper body. Alright, I want to be blocking Nick with my head. Alright, my head first. This is my defense. I'm in here. If Nick takes a shot, I'm going to take a shot. See where my head is? It's easier for me to stop. Alright? Second thing. I'm righty and I lead with my right leg. Alright? So the whole time I'm wrestling, I'm going to try to keep my right leg forward. And what I mean by this is, I got my right leg forward, put that leg forward. Alright? When I hit my single leg, this leg is my shooting leg. Here's my single leg. Alright? When I hit my high cross, my attack to his right side, right here. I'm always going down on this thing. Alright? Double leg, same thing.